G'day, Jess here. Welcome to day 2 of the Etsy Shop Spring Clean Challenge. And today we're talking about your about section, that is, the part of your Etsy shop that lets people know a little bit more about you and your business. Now, something you may not know about this about section is that having a filled in about section and policy section actually improves your search rankings on Etsy. It's one of the little tweaks you can make to just help your shop along that little bit more within the Etsy search algorithm. Not only that, of course, it's really important when customers come along because it allows them to get to know a little bit more about you and your business, because after all, isn't that the entire point of buying handmade? It's buying from a real human being that we can connect with. So you want to do your best with your about section to connect with them and speak to your ideal customer. So I want to encourage you today to make sure that you have a couple of really nice photos in your about section, or even better, a video. And then in the written text, you want to make sure that you tell the customers a little bit about you, but also make sure to frame things to speak to them as well. If you want an example of this, I'll link to my own shop in the description below and you can see what I'm talking about here. We talk a little bit about us, my husband and I who run the business, but then we talk about why we do the business and why our customers might care about what we do. Don't forget to speak to your customer in your about section and make sure that they feel seen and understood here. Now, I also want to really strongly encourage you to have a photo of yourself here. Now, even if it's not a face photo, a photo from behind while you're working at your craft, or from the side, or of your hands making something, just to give it that personal touch is really, really nice. So if you don't have one of these photos, today I want to encourage you to take just one photo of yourself doing your craft and put it up on your about section. And if you already have that photo, fantastic. Maybe it's time for an update. Or maybe you have a few other photos that you can add to that today. Maybe showing your raw materials, showing some customer photos, some really beautiful photos from your customers, or just showing some more works in progress. Basically, use this section as an opportunity to show your process and prove to people that you are a real fair dinkum maker. Also, just be sure, if you already have all of this done, today we're sprucing it up, remember? So I want you to go through, look at your photos, see if any are out of date or not up to standard, read through what you've written previously and make sure again that that's up to date and up to standard. Maybe there are some updates you can add to that section. Do that today. Now, if that seems all a bit overwhelming and you really don't know where to start when it comes to crafting a beautiful about section, I have a workshop in my membership community, the Thriver Circle, that will help you with that. I'll put a link to more about that in the description below so you can find out and check that out if you're interested in taking that workshop. As with all of my Thriver Circle workshops, you can sign up to the Thriver Circle and take those workshops straight away. Okay, that's it for today. Updating your about photos and description. Make sure to take that before and after photo, screen roll, screenshot, and share it in Instagram on your stories. Make sure to tag me at Create and Thrive so I can check it out. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss all the future videos in this challenge. I'll be back again tomorrow with day 3 of the Etsy Shop Spring Clean Challenge. I hope to see you then. Bye for now.